Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you how I installed Audi Projectors onto my A3 e-tron. Now this is a 2016, so it's the Gen 8V, but according to the listing on Amazon you could install these on almost any Audi, so it's pretty impressive. They also come with adapter cables in case it doesn't fit directly, as you'll see on mine. So the first thing is to get a flat head, go down under and then pop it out from either the right or the left side. Each door is different depending on its design. You hold the little flap down of plastic, it's like a clip, and then you pull it out. Now I go to plug in the projector and you see it doesn't fit. So it comes with these adapter cables, and they're just little jumpers, so you put it in with the color being on the red side, and then if you look inside of the plastic you'll see a plus on the main board. So the plus side is going to be the red, or the colored side, and then the black being the ground, or the minus. So as soon as you plug it in, it turns on, and you'll see that's the projection right there. So what you have to do is then take it and push the wiring back into your door, and then get the fixture inside, and then clip it back into place. It's fairly simple. So this is what it looks like, from under and then on the floor. So I think it looks pretty cool, adds a nice touch. The coolest is in the dark, when you unlock your car, so you're in a parking structure or somewhere, you open your door, it greets you very nicely. So I think it looks great. Now while installing the back ones I realized, it's flipped, so I had to turn the projection. But also you can use this to adjust, so if you don't like the angle that it's at by default, you can adjust it there by turning the inner plastic knobs right around the projection, so you're kind of turning the image that's getting projected. So once I did that and turned it for all the doors correctly so that they all line up equally, it was fairly easy. So it took me maybe 5 or 10 minutes for all the doors total, and I have this really cool light mod. So now whenever I drive my car in the evening or at night, I open my doors, or if guests are opening the doors in the back, everybody has this really cool Audi projection. So I thought it was a cool feature, and I definitely wanted to share it. I'll put the links to the ones I got below, but there are many different kinds in the market. If I did it again, I would get just the rings without the Audi. I think it would have looked cooler. And this is what it looks like, when you're getting out of the car. It just projects down. So that's it. Let me know in the comments if you like it or if you want to see anything else. I'm always willing to try, simple mods on the car. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.